The jury is expected to begin deliberating tomorrow in the manslaughter trial of a former Amtrak engineer. Brandon Bostian is charged with involuntary manslaughter after his train derailed at high speed in Philadelphia. Thanks for joining us today at 5. I'm Shayna Humphreys.
And I'm Jason Martinez. Jeff Cole is inside the courtroom for closing statements and is live in Center City with the developments. Jeff.
You know it, the final statements have been made. The prosecution, Brandon Bostian, was grossly wrong in this case, they say, and criminally responsible. The defense, Bostian is an excellent engineer, they say, almost perfect, who made a bad mistake. Now the jury decides. Mr. Bostian, why not testify in your own defense and tell him what happened, sir? Brandon Bostian has remained stone cold silent outside of court. Inside court Thursday, he did the same thing, declining to take the stand in his own defense as his attorneys rested their case. Mr. Bostian, do you think the defense has made its case for you? They've done enough? In its final witness, the defense called an accident reconstruction expert who testified to Bostian's excellent work history, calling him one of Amtrak's finest. Asked what caused the fatal derailment, expert Timothy Hicks testified. Mr. Bostian was confused and lost situational awareness after hearing the emergency broadcast about projectiles striking trains. 27 seconds later, the train derailed. High-profile civil attorney Tom Klein represented passengers in a $265 million settlement with Amtrak. Was Bostian confused or reckless?
Oh, I'm not going to pass judgment on the case. What I'm going to tell you is that Bostian was going 104 miles an hour in a 55-mile-an-hour zone.
The 38-year-old is charged with 8 counts of involuntary manslaughter for the derailment deaths of 8 passengers and hundreds of charges of reckless endangerment for the more than 200 injured. In closing, defense attorney Brian McMonagle argued the criminals who hurled rocks at trains that night are at fault, adding his client, confused by the radio warnings and losing his bearings, made a mistake, not a crime. Lead prosecutor Christopher Phillips for the Pennsylvania Attorney General closed by arguing Bostian's conduct was so egregious it rises to a crime. He claimed Bostian knew the biggest danger on his route that evening in May of 2015 was the Frankfurt curve, which he took at 106 miles an hour, twice the allowed speed, tipping the train, killing and maiming passengers. What are your thoughts as this closes, Mr. Bostian? Now, the judge in the case today questioned whether the evidence actually supports the charges, at least raising the question that she could kick a verdict if there is a conviction here. And if convicted, Bostian faces prison time. Live here at the CJC, Center City, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News. Folks.
Thanks for the update, Jeff.